Are you looking for some more simple Halloween ideas to do with your child? Well, today I have something that's quite easy for you to set up. It just involves one piece of paper. Hi, I'm Amy, pediatric occupational therapist and founder of Playapy, and I'm here to provide you with some playful solutions and powerful results. Today, I want to share with you a very quick and easy, fun activity that you can do around the time of Halloween that your kids are going to really enjoy. You guys, this activity is something I call my Boo Book. Boo. Now, it's basically one sheet of paper that is folded into a little book, and you're drawing pictures inside the book that are kind of scary things. The only thing you're going to need for this activity is one piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and some crayons. So let's get started. If you're not familiar with my video on 6 paper folding activities, you should check it out. I'll attach the link up above for you to see it. In that video, I describe how you can form the book that we are going to be doing in this video. I'm going to do that again here for you really quickly. First, you're going to take a piece of paper and you are going to have it vertical and you're going to fold it in half. It's really important in this activity that you make sure that you line up your corners very accurately. This ensures that the activity is going to be successful. So if you have a child that struggles with this, you can help them with that. Once you fold the paper vertically, you're going to open it up and then you're going to fold it in the opposite direction and fold it horizontally. Once you do that, you're going to make sure that your paper is folded with the horizontal crease at the top. Now you're going to take the bottom portion of that front part of your paper and fold it up to the top crease. And once you're done that, you're going to turn it over and flip it over on the other side. You're going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. You're going to bring that bottom half of the paper up to that top crease. Now you'll see your paper is kind of forming like a little bit of a W or an M. And what you want to do is draw, or you can just cut a line down the middle of that top crease, just to that middle portion. This is going to create a slit in your paper. Once you do that, you're going to open it up and then you're going to fold it so that it is very long, and you're going to kind of squish it so that you're making almost like a star with your paper. And then it's going to be really easy for you to fold close and you will have your book. Now, one of the benefits of doing paper folding activities with kids is that it really works to help on coordination. I go into more detail about that in that other video if you want to check that out. But right now is a time where you are going to draw your fun pictures. So it's called a Boo Book because it's scary, right? Boo. So on the cover of your Boo Book, you could just write Boo, or if you want to write Boo Book. And inside on each page, we're going to draw some fun creatures and objects. So they might be like a spider or a ghost, or maybe a witch hat, or maybe a skull, or maybe something else that I can't think of right now. So there's all kinds of different things that you can draw. It's a great opportunity for kids to work on their visual motor skills, and it's really fun for them. Once you're done drawing, you can also color the pictures in to complete your book. The great thing about the Boo Book activity is that you get to work on lots of different skills in a very simple and quick fashion. You can work on visual motor skills, drawing, right? You can work on cutting skills. You can work on paper folding. You can even work on coloring. So there's lots of different skills that you can accomplish in this task. Really works great for kids who need to develop their fine motor skills. This is one of my favorite activities to do, so I hope you give it a try. It is bound to be successful and it works for lots of different ages. I hope you found this tip helpful. And if you are looking for more ideas, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also head over to playtv.com where you can sign up for the monthly newsletter and you might receive discounts, freebies, news, so much more. A lot of things that I don't share on this channel. So I hope to see you over there, and I hope you have a playful day.